Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a desk tour slash office space. This is where I come to sit down and edit my photography, videography, just plan in my planner, do some devotional and such. I like to show you exactly what's in each drawer. I try to keep it pretty organized. First drawer, I have my pencil case with my favorite pens. I also have this notebook from Chapters, my Bible that I got as a gift for my birthday a few years ago, some washi tape, and then even more pens, markers, and highlighters. In the second drawer, it's kind of random. I have some Polaroids, some sticky notes and such. I have some scissors and a glue, even more notebooks because I just love them. And then I have this really cute Polaroid album here that I just use and put whenever we do something cool and fun. And then I also have an address book in here with friends and family's addresses. In the third drawer, I have even more washi tape because I'm obsessed with it. I have some cords and chargers, my hard drive, and then I have some random bills and cards in the bag there and some batteries in case I need them. And then in my last drawer here, I have some business cards, some random envelopes that I keep, and then a big box with a whole bunch of stickers. And the stickers that I use are from Michaels. These are the best quality and I just really love them. They're great. I keep another box on top of my desk with a devotional, my 5-minute journal. I also keep a cute little clipboard to draw down notes. I also started a pregnancy diary sort of thing, so I'm filling that out. And then I have my big planner that I just use every day. I also have some more washi tape, and of course I have my tablet. I just really love my desk and how simple it is, and I just love to sit down and get creative and plan and journal. That's something that I really love to do. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks again. Bye.